Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust motion detection on your Eufy Anker 2K HD resolution doorbell. And to do this, you'll need to add your doorbell to the app, and we showed you in our previous video on how to do it. And now click on these three dots to open up the settings. From here go to motion detection, and now we can adjust any settings. So there's activity zone, only set a motion zone if you're using human upper body or all motion sensitivity levels. And if you press on it, you'll be able to adjust the specific activity zone. So for example, I'm right here, so let's select that one. Click on OK. And now your camera will only activate the motion sensor when something is detected on this side of the camera. Go back, and right here we have detection type, human only, so that way your camera will detect only humans or all motions, and that means if anything moves in the vicinity of the camera, it will activate. There's also sensitivity, which you can change to 1 or 5. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.